Hello students, I think you are well and you are doing your studies properly. All we are going through a very difficult and unnatural situations and we are not prepared for that one. But we have to continue our studies because we are in a very crucial juncture of your life. Today what I am going to discuss with you, it is the new thing that has been included into the syllabus and even in your book it is not there. File handling with pickle method. Why we are going to use the pickle? Pickle is used for serializing and deserializing the Python object structure. If I go into the more detail, if we do not want to change the data type of a variable when we are writing into the file, then we are using the pickle. In the normal file operation, all the data of a file is considered as a string. Means when we are writing, suppose you are create a list and you want to write that particular list into a file. It may be the binary file, okay, but you have to convert that one. Why? Because in the file, when you are writing, it should be treated as a text. All the things are going to be treated as a text or the string. So by using the pickle method, what is going to happen? You don't have to change that particular data type. If it is an integer, it will be the integer. If it is a list, it will be the list. There will be no problem. For that, what you have to do, we'll see that one. How to implement this one in the programming? When you are using the pickle method or the module, we have used the CSV module over there. How to open a file? You are using the open function. The first, and inside the open function, what will be the first parameter? The first parameter will be the name of the file as usual. What will be the second parameter? We know that one. In the second parameter, we are using in which mode the file is going to be open. We are writing W means the writing mode, R means the read mode, but here we are going to use WB or the W plus. W referred for the writing and B for binary. Means the file is going to be right into the binary file. Now we'll see the program, how we'll implement. First we have to, just like the CSV module, we have to import the pickle module. Import pickle. We know what is a module. In the module, predefined functions are written over there and we are using that one. Now I create a list, PL. Inside the list, I have stored some name of the cities. Now the open function, what I have done, F is equal to open pickle.txt, comma WB. Don't surprise with the txt file. When I write the WB means it will be the binary file. Now, which function used for writing into the file? Dump, D-U-M-P. Pickle.dump. What is the use? This file is going to write the things into the file. In the dump function, what I have passed? One is the name of the list where I have stored the name of the cities and then the file handle, the object of the file. F.close. File has been closed and writing process has been over. Now, if I open directly, if I directly try to open that particular file without any functions or anything, we have to print that one. I'll see that one, it will written in the binary format and it is not human readable. I close that one. Now I'll show you how to open with the pickle. Binary format can be converted into the human readable format with a pickle.load function. F2 is equal to open pickle.txt, the name of the file, RB, read binary, A is equal to pickle.load F2. F2 is the file object. So what will happen? It will read from the file and it will store into the A and print it. If I give the print. If you execute this one, what will going to be happen? The name of the cities is going to be printed over there. Thank you very much.